Hello my angels, my dears, I'm Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Now as you all know, the holidays are coming and I know a lot of you looking for recipes to use to prepare for your family as they gather for the holidays. The next few videos for my channel will be videos of sides, of entrees, and of desserts for the holidays. I hope these videos will help you prepare for your holiday celebration. Go through them, choose the ones that you like or you think your family will like. I'm sure you'll be able to find some dishes, some sides, some entrees that you'll be able to use for your holiday meal. All right? Well, enjoy your holiday, everyone. I love you. Please be a blessing to people and Merry Christmas. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
Hey, how do you like this one? If you like this recipe, be sure you give me a like. You know that's going to be a thumbs up. And if you feel that you can use anything else on my channel, please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. During this holiday season, be sure to be the blessing to someone. And as always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I will see you next time. Come back for another recipe. See you then.